Okay. Sydney, life in lockdown. Oh, I can't go skiing, so I'll ski in my lounge room. Here we go. Gotta get through that first gate. Ah, missed the first gate. Yes, got that one. I'm gonna bend the knees a bit more, I think. Ah, here we go. Now I'm onto something. I'm feeling confident I can accelerate. Ah, here we go. Let's accelerate. Yes. Yes. All right. Oh, now we're getting the hang of it. Ah, missed that gate altogether. Okay. It's been a bit rusty on the old skis. We can do this. Ah. Man, that was through there, wasn't it? Ah, that was through, surely. All right. Oh, now we're getting there. Oh, what is it? Oh. Yeah, come on, let's do this. I call this the Commodore Joyboard. It uses micro switches on the joystick port under this skateboard. It must be my dicky knee. Avoid the trees, avoid the rocks. A bit faster. Alright, now we'll get there. Oh, okay, this one's a bit one. Should have probably gone through those rocks. Alright, we're getting close to the finish line now. I'm picking up some speed.
Woohoo!
Oh! I didn't think I hit that tree. Anyway. Okay. Definitely getting better at this now.
Oh yeah.
700. Yeah, now we're talking.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pull that back. I think this is the run to the finish line.
Yeah.